How would you manage a class of children with different backgrounds and varying ability levels? Often teachers in this situation teach to the top of the class. This means that many children fall behind and are never given an opportunity to catch up. A simple one-on-one oral assessment tool can reconnect the teacher to their children's numeracy and literacy levels. Children are reassessed regularly as they progress and move easily to the next level. This is a literacy assessment tool. It consists of a story, paragraph, a set of 10 words, and a set of 10 letters. Teaching at the right level, instructors use the tool to group children into beginner, letter, word, paragraph, and story levels. The teacher makes a note of each child's level. The teacher makes sure the child is calm and avoids using words like test or assessment, which might make the child anxious. Assessment begins with a simple paragraph section. The teacher then moves backwards or forwards, depending on which section the child can complete. If the child is able to read the paragraph fluently, making fewer than 4 mistakes, the teacher turns the page to the story section and asks the child to read the short story. If the child reads the story fluently, he is marked at the story level. If the child is unable to read a simple paragraph and makes more than 3 mistakes, the teacher moves on to the word section. If the child is unable to read 4 words, the teacher continues to encourage her and turns to the letter section. After the assessment, children are grouped according to their levels. The number of groups will depend on the number of children and the number of teachers available. In Zambia, children are mostly placed in 3 groups. Group 1, beginner and letter. Group 2, word and paragraph. Group 3, story. Children are regularly assessed so that they can accelerate through their levels at their pace. This is a sample numerous assessment tool. It consists of 2 parts. Part 1 of the assessment, number recognition, consists of 4 sections: 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, and 4 digit number recognition are tested separately. Based on their ability to recognize numbers, children are recorded at levels 1, 2, 3, or 4. Children who are unable to recognize 1-digit numbers are at the beginner level. Part 2 of the assessment focuses on operations and consists of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. The numerous assessment begins with 3-digit number recognition. For each section, the teacher allows the child to choose 4 numbers to identify. The teacher is patient and lets the child set the pace.
153, 642.
If children are unable to recognize one-digit numbers, they are marked at the beginner level and are not asked to solve operation sums. The operations part of the assessment consists of subtraction, addition, multiplication, and division sums. Throughout this process, the teacher gives the child enough time to solve the sums. Once children are in their classes, they are divided further during small group activities. The teacher keeps track of children's operation levels and gives them sums that will help them to progress.